Hello everyone, this is Mohammed, and in continuation to my previous video, I'm excited to share the latest advancement in the plugin. So firstly, I focused on optimizing the code and integrated some more efficient algorithms, which now supports more complex queries and more interaction with the Revit model. I'll try to keep this video very short, so let's begin. Okay, so when we look into this prompt here, the prompt says that the calculate the total length of the duct in meter. So I'm still using the same Kobe model where I've got quite a few ductwork in this particular model. So the prompt says that calculate the total length of the ducts in meter, and the unit cost of these duct material per meter is $15, and the labor and the installation cost is $5, with the contingency and overhead is 10% of the total. So let's see with this particular prompt what could be the result. Okay, so the answer to this is that the total length of the duct in this particular project is 6716 meters. The total unit cost, which is 15, and the installation cost per meter is $5, and it has basically given us the total cost of the duct, and with the overhead it's this particular number. Okay, so far this is coming out very nicely. Let's try to do something else. So within this particular project, I've got quite a few doors, and what I wanted to do is I wanted to set the parameter value for this particular door. So in this exercise, I wanted to set the Kobe dot created by parameter, and I wanted to put some value there so that it will basically fetch all the doors in the particular model, and then it will update the value. So let's say select all doors and write the parameter name, which is department, because I wanted to, okay, so this time I don't want the department. I basically want Kobe dot created by. Okay, so that's the parameter that we wanted to update the value, and the value would be as bill dot east at US Army dot mil. Okay, so this is the value that we wanted to update in all the doors which has this particular parameter. Once completed, isolate all the doors. So what we wanted to say is that once completed, probably display the message and isolate all the doors. Okay, so right now if I look into any other door, the Kobe dot created by this is currently empty. So once we fill this prompt and wait for this to complete, okay, so it's saying that please enhance the prompt. Okay, so this time it worked. We just have to refine the prompt, and this is one of the reason why I'm trying to enhance these algorithms just so that this works much better. However, there might be few bugs which we will improve in the future. So now when we select any of these store, this parameter value has been updated. Okay, this is good. Let's go and try one more example for this video. Okay. What I've done is I selected all the rooms in this particular view, and then I used this department parameter and then I updated the value as BOH for the back of house. Um, so basically, all of these rooms should have the department value as BOH. So what we were trying to say is that select all the rooms which contains the parameter name as department has a value BOH. So that's the value that we have updated in all the departments, and calculate the total area, or maybe sum the total area. Let's see with this prompt if this works. So once this is executed, it should basically select all these rooms. So that's the total area. Okay, not sure why it did not select it, but let's try again. Probably that's the pre-selection that I had earlier. Okay, for some reason it didn't do it, but however, it gave the total area. All right, I think this is it for this video. I hope this was good enough for this tutorial, and please do not hesitate to share your thoughts or ideas that you would like to see next.